Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers IPM Academy. Students, to know more about us, you can also join our Telegram group. Link for that is given in the description. Okay, now let us discuss this question. The question says, Mrs. and Mr. Sharma, Mrs. and Mr. Ahuja, along with 4 other persons are to be seated at a round table for dinner. So total there are 8 people, out of which there are 2 couples. Mrs. and Mr. Sharma are to be seated next to each other, and Mrs. and Mr. Ahuja are not to be seated next to each other, then the total number of sitting arrangement possible is. Now students, see, instead of taking their names, let's assume there are 2 couples. One of the couples is AB, other couple is CD, and there are other 4 people as well. Okay, because there are 8 people, so I've taken 2 couples as AB and CD and other 4 people. Now it is given that one of the couples will be together and other couple will not be together. So let's assume AB is the couple which will be together and CD will not be together. Okay, it becomes easy instead of taking their names. Now, first of all, students, let us figure out the number of cases when A and B will always be together. Okay, forget about CD. Let's figure out the cases when A and B will always be together. Now, because A and B will always be together, let's consider them as one identity. उनको मैंने एक ही identity मान लिया. तो कहने से अगर मैंने AB को एक identity मान लिया, that means now there are total of 7 people I can say. अगर मैंने AB को एक पर्सन मान लिया या एक आइडेंटिटी मान लिया, so I can say now there are total of 7 people. Now in a circle, if there are n people, I hope all of you know this, in a circle if there are n people, then in how many ways they can be arranged, or in how many ways they can be seated? They can be seated in n minus 1 factorial ways. Now because AB is together, so now we can say there are 7 people. So 7 people in a circle can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Now mind you, 6 factorial ways में AB तो हमेशा साथ में आएंगे, but AB can also interchange their position, है ना? ये भी तो हो सकता है कि A केस में हमने A को B के राइट में रखा है, लेकिन A जो है वो B के लेफ्ट में भी हो सकता है. रहेंगे तो वो साथ में ही, but they can sit in 2 ways. So the total number of cases would be 6 factorial into 2. This comes out to be 720 into 2, 1440. So 1440 are the number of ways when AB will definitely be together. But क्या हम कह सकते हैं कि इन 1440 cases में वो वाले cases भी होंगे when AB will be together and CD will also be together? ये वाले जो cases हैं ये इसमें included है. So students, these cases I need to eliminate. ठीक है, इन cases को मुझे eliminate करना पड़ेगा. So now I'll try to figure out the number of ways in which AB will be together and CD will also be together. तो ये तो आप लोग सेम लॉजिक से कर सकते हो, क्योंकि AB हमेशा साथ में रहेगा तो उसको मैंने एक आइडेंटिटी मान लिया. CD भी हमेशा साथ में रहेंगे तो उनको भी मैंने एक आइडेंटिटी मान लिया. सो कहने से now there will be a total of 6 people I can say. अब हम कह सकते हैं कि टोटल 6 लोग हैं. So 6 people can be arranged in circle in how many ways? They can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. But again, so same logic, because A and B are together, they can interchange their position in 2 ways. C and D are together, they can also interchange their position in 2 ways. So the total number of cases would be 5 factorial into 2 into 2. This comes out to be 120 into 2 into 2, which is 480. That means there are 480 cases when AB and CD are together, and all these 480 cases are included here, and these cases we have to exclude. So from 1440 I'll subtract 480 cases, which will give us 960. So that means there are 960 cases when AB will definitely be together, but C and D will not be together. Okay students, so I hope this is clear to all of you. Thank you guys.